Hi everybody. So I'm working on a little light switch in a storage room here. There's a light up in the ceiling and it won't turn on. And I thought this switch might be the problem because it just feels like it's loose right here. And as it turns out, yeah, it sure is. Look at that. That whole back of the switch looks like it cracked. Broke right off. So of course, depending on how I wiggle these wires, the light turns on. So yeah, that's why this is so loose. So shouldn't be a big deal. Just put in a new switch. I'll take care of it.